create amazing SDXL images without a refiner. Hello my friends, how are you doing? Today I want to show you several models that don't even need a refiner anymore. Also, you asked me to tell a dad joke to Sebastian Kamp, so here we go. What did Star Trek's McCoy find in the captain's toilet? The captain's log. Let's get started. All right, so here we are in Automatic 1111. As you know, we're gonna use it just as usual. But one thing I want to point out here is that with some of these models, you want to use a very low CFG scale. Here it's 3.5. Seems very low, but it works really good. Now I have rendered with the NightVision XL model. Here is the image that is using no refiner, nothing, just the normal rendering. This image is using a refiner. Now, can you spot any difference? It's the same seat, same settings. There's no difference. So that is really, really useful and be able to render just in one go. And this model is called NightVision XL. As you can see, it doesn't need a refiner. It has photorealistic, portrait, photography, hyperreal, architecture, interior design. You can see here some very amazing, very detailed pictures. Of course, as always, I'm going to suggest to you to look here on the right side for the prompt, the negative prompt that is being used, the sampler, the CFG scale, the steps that are being used to create these amazing images that you can see right here on your screen without using any refiner with SDXL. Now, one thing you might notice here is that this model is by SoCal Guitarist. And the next model I'm going to show you is also by SoCal Guitarist. This is a pretty busy guy. Again, this doesn't need a refiner. It can create this amazing style here, different kind of artistic styles. Very, very nice, very beautiful, looks 3D, a little bit Pixar inspired. Up here you can see all-in-one stylized 3D, safe for work, not safe for work output. So this has a wide range, but it's mostly for images that look like 3D. Then we have ProtoVision. This is by the same creator, SoCal Guitarist. It's ProtoVision XL, high fidelity 3D, photorealism, anime, hyperrealism, no refiner needed. You can see the beautiful styles this is creating. And look at how sophisticated this is with the hair, with the details. Everything here looks very nice. Again, of course, I suggest to you to look at the prompt, negative prompt, and the settings that are used here for getting you started with this model in the best way. This is also a pretty cool image here. Looks very photorealistic. This guy is standing underwater, but at the same time not in the water. So this could be an interesting photo trick with a guy hanging upside down. But of course, this is an AI image, but it's an interesting inspirational idea. I like also that there is the reflection of the guy here in the water. Pretty cool work. And here we have another model that is called BrightProtoNuke. This is by E-Face, so this is from another creator. But also, as you can see here, we have very, very nice images. Again, this does not need a refiner, and it can create different kinds of art styles that are very beautiful and has this very nice digital painting style. Really love how this image here looks. Again, look at the right side here. You can see in this case CFG scale 7. Here we have another image that is made with that model. Really beautiful artistic styles. And that's it already for today, my friends. Very short update. Check out these models without a refiner and see how they work. For you, leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Here's a dad joke. If you want to be a sophisticated artist, you have to go like this with your lips, like. Oh, you're still here. So this is the end screen. There's other stuff you can watch like this or that. It's really cool. And yeah, I hope I see you soon. Leave a like if you haven't yet. And well, yeah.